Clár Teilifíse, Bhócó.
Tá na páistí ag breathnú an Teilifíse. Tá an Clár Teilifíse is fearr siúl. Bhócó sa circus is anam don Chlár. Is fearr green Bhócó, bíonn sé a gcónaí ag pleicíocht. Tá éadaí daite agus grúig aráiste aige. Tá sé anna granúr.
Ceistena, ceiste hain. Cé atá ag breathnú an Teilifíse? Ceiste dó, cad atá siúl? Ceiste trí, cad is anam don Chlár? Ceiste cathair, an fearr grinn Bhócó? Ceiste cúig, an bhfuil sé granmhar?
Okay, so this is Clár Teilifíse, Bhócó. So it's the Clár Teilifíse is a program, and Bhócó is the name of the clown. So it's the Bhócó show, the Bhócó television show. Now, so tá na páistí ag breathnú an Teilifíse. Well, na páistí are the children, and they are ag breathnú. Ag breathnú is the verb watching or looking at the television on Teilifíse. Tá an Clár Teilifíse is fearr. So the program is fearr. The television program is fearr. Is fearr means their favourite. Siúl means going on. So their favourite television show is going on. Bhócó sa circus. Bhócó sa circus. Bhócó in the circus is anam don Clár is the name of the show. Is fearr green Bhócó. Grin is a funny. It makes you grin. It makes you happy. It makes you laugh. He's a fearr grin. He's a clown. So fearr grin is a clown. So Bhócó is a clown. Bíonn sé i gcónaí. He is always. Bíonn means he is i gcónaí, always. Ag pleicíocht, messing. Ag pleicíocht means messing. Tá éadaí daite. So he has coloured clothes. Éadaí are clothes. Daite are coloured. And grúig aráiste. Grúig is hair. Aráiste sounds like the English word orange. So he has grúig or aráiste air on him. He is orange hair. And tá sé, agus tá sé an granmhar. He is not just funny. Granmhar is funny. He's an granmhar. He is very funny. Right? Okay, now let's have a look at the questions. Okay, and we can start this work by putting our title up the top and the page number, which is Lehanach Uchtó, which is page 80. Cé atá ag breathnú an television, an Teilifíse. Okay, so who is watching the television? Now, the verb is ag breathnú, so tá na páistí ag breathnú an Teilifíse. The children are watching the television. Ceiste dó. Question 2. Cad atá siúl, what's going on? So tá an Clár Teilifíse is fearr siúl. So the program that their favourite program is fearr, that they prefer, is siúl, which means it's going on. Cad is anam don Clár. What is the name of the show? Bhócó sa circus is anam don Clár. Ceiste cathair, an fearr grinn Bhócó. Is he a clown? Is fearr grinn Bhócó? He is a clown, or ní fearr grinn Bhócó, or he's not a clown. And the answer, of course, is fearr grinn Bhócó. He's a clown. And ceiste cúig, last one. An bhfuil sé granmhar. Is he funny? Tá sé granmhar. He is funny. Níl sé granmhar. He isn't funny. Or tá sé an granmhar. And we put a H in there, an extra H, because it's on, very. An granmhar means very funny, which is the answer. Tá sé an granmhar. Well done.